everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be continuing on my 30-day challenge. And so today's challenge is my favorite idol friendship. So I had to choose vmin, which is Taeyang and Jimin from BTS. I just love their friendship. It's just so genuine, and they were friends in school and they just have this like really special bond that I just love a lot. So that's who I chose for my favorite idol friendship. This is a really simple spread, and since both photos were like black and white, I just chose whatever color scheme I wanted. So I decided to go with this pale green color and black, and the only reason that I chose the black was because I got this new washi tape, which is actually Halloween washi tape, but it's black and has like silver shiny stars and moons on it, and I just wanted an excuse to use it. So that's partially why I added black into this spread. So I decided to use these two pictures. One is more recent and one is from a long time ago, and they are doing the same pose and making the same face, and I just think that that's adorable. So yeah, and I'm doing this from more of like a realistic friendship standpoint, not like a shipper standpoint. I'm not really big into shipping, not saying that there's anything wrong with it. I just personally am not that big into it. So this is more of just like I actually enjoy their genuine friendship that we see. And I decided to use my new silver gel pen to do the highlights on the lettering, since the washi tape I used was black and silver. And I got this gel pen only because I needed a new white Signo gel pen, and they didn't have it by itself. They only had it in like a pack with silver and gold. So I just got it that way, and now I have new silver and gold gel pens, which you've probably seen if you've watched any of my Inktober videos. Also, I tried to write BFF on the Polaroid thing and I hated it, so I covered it up, as you do. So here's the final spread. Like I said, it was really simple, really quick little spread, but I like it. I think it turned out really cute. So if you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.